Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove your bank account from PayPal. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Are you not using PayPal anymore after? Do you want to remove and unlink the bank account from PayPal? If you have created a PayPal account and linked to a bank account to send and receive money, and for any reason want to unlink your bank account from PayPal, you can do so with this. How to do it? It's very simple. So first of all, you can open your PayPal, you can log into your PayPal account on your PC or your mobile phone. Here's I'm logged in with the PayPal website on my laptop. Now, from here, you can see on the bank and cards section. Here's all the bank and cards that link with my PayPal account. You can just click on that. And if you want to remove it, it's very simple. You can just click on the bank account that you want to remove on the link bank that you want to remove from your PayPal account, and you'll find there is an option remove bank. You can just click on that. Are you sure you want to remove this bank account from your PayPal account? Pending transaction will still be processed and automatic payment will be charged to another funding source after removing this bank. You can just click on remove this bank. So now you have removed that bank account. You have unlinked your PayPal account from this bank. Click on done. And if you want to link to another bank account, you can just click on link a bank and you can link the bank account on your PayPal account. And also you can link your card too in here. And that's it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove your bank account from PayPal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!